Hello everyone, this is Nancy from Learn and Implement channel. Last time we had made a video taking the interview of the principal, Mr. Basmaraj Vibhuti, in Hindi and Marathi language, who is the principal of Camp Education Society. So after watching the video, we had got a huge demand that they want to see the same video in English language. So the principal of the college have reinitiated and made his own video in the English language. So where we can explain the students who are not able to understand in Hindi and Marathi language, we will try to explain them in the English language also. So the video here is again the same, where we will be asking questions about the trades, the welding trade, mechanical draftsman trade, electrician trade, which are taught in his college. We will be asking about what are the career opportunities available, how many years of course it is, and after doing that course, how it will be benefited, which all other courses can be taken. So all these questions are again reframed, and the entire video has been made in English language. So here again I'll start with the college environment, then I'll start with the interview of the principal, Mr. Basmaraj Vibhuti, and I'm really thankful to the principal, to the teachers, to the chairman who has helped us in doing this. So I think we can start off with the video with the college environment and the questionnaires. So now we'll start with the interview with the principal of the college. The name of the principal is Mr. Basmaraj Vibhuti, where we will be asking him the question about his organization, about his college, how many trades are available, what is the duration of those particular trades, and what is the educational qualification required to do so.
I would like to thank Nancy ma'am for helping us make a video for our institute. Camp Education Society is ITI, established in 1987 and located at sector number 27A, Rajikand Nigdi, Pune. Our organization is engaged in the training of welder, draftsman mechanical and electrician. All three trades with all units are recognized by Government of Maharashtra and affiliated to DGET New Delhi. The duration of welder is 1 year and entry qualification is 10th pass or fail, whereas duration of draftsman mechanical and electrician is 2 years and the entry qualification is 10th pass.
Thank you for your answer. Now my next question is, how are the admissions taken place? Is it done online or the students comes to your college and when does the admission begins for this particular trade?
Admission to government and non-government ITI will start online from the second day of 10th result. For that, you have to visit www.admission.dvt.gov.in portal. Admission process consists of 3 to 4 cap rounds and 1 district level and 1 institution level counseling round.
So I want to know that do you help students in choosing which trade they can take, or explain them which trade is in high demand, what all career opportunities they'll be getting, and do you do counseling for the same?
There are a total 137 courses under the CTA scheme. Duration of this course are different, like 6 months, 1 year and 2 years. Courses classified into 2 groups as a engineering and non-engineering trade. Engineering courses again classified into 2 groups, namely machine group and table trade. It is difficult to say which trade is in demand and which trade has no demand. Ma'am, you know that there is a shortage of manpower in service sector like a fabrication, construction and manufacturing sector. If you have a skills, you have opportunity of a jobs as well as entrepreneurship. Otherwise, no opportunity. Yes, we do counseling. In the counseling, we take into consideration the education status of the candidates and financial status of the parents.
Okay, so my next question will be, after clearing this trade, after clearing the examinations, do the trainees get an opportunity directly from your college? And do you have any ex-trainees of yours, ex-student of yours, who is already working in a high position?
Our ITI is situated in industrial area. There are a lot of opportunities for the apprenticeship, job and self-employment, and we are training in that regard and organizing some programs other than prescribed syllabus which help for placement. Our placement is 100%. Yes, some ex-trainees are working in higher position, some trainees are working in different sectors, and some have started their own business.
And my last question is, I wanted to know, do you face any challenges? Means, what are the kind of challenges you face when a student come to your college for a particular trade? How do you explain them? How do you counsel them?
Since I have been working in this field for 35 years and my colleagues have a lot of experience, counseling is not a problem. However, candidate and parent should communicate freely. As mentioned earlier, we suggest trade once on the candidate's academic status and financial status of parents along with their business. If the academic status and financial status is weak, we suggest 1 year course so that he or she can become a self-relevant soon.
So here we complete our interview with the principal, Mr. Baswaraj Vibhuti. I would like to thank again everyone, the principal of the college, teachers, chairman who helped us in making such kind of a video. My reason of making such kind of a video is where I'll be able to show the practical training which actually happens when you take up a particular course or a particular trade. So if a student is viewing that video, he or she will be able to understand whether they can do that trade, whether they can do that course or not. Because after joining a course, they really find it difficult and they think that this is not the right education that I wanted to pursue. Secondly, they get to know what is the other opportunities that they can pursue. So here my main aim is to share such kind of a videos from 6th standard to 9th standard, where the students from 6th standard to 9th standard will be viewing those videos. They will be able to understand what all opportunities are there, which all educational backgrounds are available where they can pursue. It is like a student has a dream to become something, but they don't know how to go about it, nor even there are many parents who doesn't know how to help them. So this is where I will be playing up the videos, I'll be making up the videos, I'll try to jot down the name of the colleges where they can pursue such kind of a course, they can select, they can pursue their dream education, and then they can make their career in it. Because without knowing about a particular trade, without knowing about a particular course, they just have to take the admission, they learn about it, and then finally they get to know that this is not the thing they wanted to do. So here it is where I'm requesting the principals of the other college also, the way Mr. Baswaraj Vibhuti helped me to make such kind of a video, I would really ask the principals of the other college also to help me to show the way to the students, to show many opportunities to the students where they can bifurcate, they can understand what all things they will have to go through when they are studying, and after studying what are the career opportunities they can get. So here I'm just trying to make a small clear picture for a student and for the parents if they are taking up a particular education, where they will reach and what will be the opportunities, what will be their career. So this is a very fine line that I am trying to explain it in my videos. Secondly, I want to explain that there are not only 10 or 20 educational backgrounds, but there are many backgrounds. There are many backgrounds which are available where a student can pursue. So this is the only thing that I wanted to explain. I would like to spread a message where I think you people can spread these videos with the students, with the parents whose like children are in 6th standard, 7th standard, 8th standard. It's like whenever you start spreading it, you'll spread the knowledge about it. So if any improvements you want in my videos, please comment below. If there is any trade you want to know, if you have any questions, please comment below in the section and spread the knowledge. So I would like to complete my video on this, and thank you so much. I'll come up with the new videos. Thank you.